In this video, we complete step 19, tab completion for columns. So this is a step that will simply help out our users correctly type in the column names whenever they're selecting a single column of data from their data frame. So let's just see how this works in the Jupyter Notebook. So if we're down here, and let's look at how it works in Pandas. So here's Pandas, and the way Pandas works is if you want to select a single column, say like height, and you start typing it in, here I've just typed in the first three characters, and you press tab. So if you have to pay attention very closely. See if I can go back one character. So if you press tab, okay, so if there's more than one option available, then it'll bring down a drop-down menu, and you can go down or up and select the correct option. So I believe there's actually a bug with IPython at the moment, and it's showing too many options here because obviously help or hex are not column names. So that's unfortunate, and it sort of pollutes the drop-down menu, but hopefully that will get sorted out at some point. Regardless, you still have help available, and you can just press enter to select the column that you want. So there's a little bit of tab completion help. Let's see if, yeah, so weight is a little bit more unique. So I'm right here, WE, and I press tab, and I get weight completed instantaneously. So to do this, you have to fill out this sort of a method that's special just to IPython. So it begins with a single underscore. So IPython will pick up on this, and it's called IPython key completions. So when you what you need to do here, and if you read the documentation in IPython, is that you need to return a list here of all the possibilities that you want your users to be able to choose from whenever they're putting a key into the brackets. So this is specifically whenever you have the brackets somewhere, when you're doing some sort of get item operation, that you want to give your user choices on what to select from those brackets. So here we just want our users to select the, be able to select the column names. So let's go ahead and do that. We're just going to return the column names, so which are already a list. So we're just going to return self.columns, and that should do it. So let's go ahead and see. So here's our data frame. It has the same exact columns. So if we do it, okay, good. So I just pressed tab, and I checked it out live, and it looks like it's working. So that looks very good. Okay, so let's go ahead. There is a test here. Test tab complete, and let's see if we get it right. So test tab complete, and everything looks good. Okay, so that does it for step 19.